Hi, this is James with the Super Bright LEDs Test Lab, and today I'm going to introduce our new RGB landscape kit. This kit comes with everything you need to do an install. It comes with 6 lights, a power supply, aluminum ground stakes, and a remote control. Installing the power supply is really simple. Just take it, make sure it's lined up, make sure your rubber O-ring is nicely seated, and take the nut and tighten it down to ensure it's waterproof. So the remote comes with 16 different preset colors. You can adjust brightness. It has an RGB white. It also has a few different modes: a strobing mode, a flash mode, fade, and a smooth color change. It also has Bluetooth capability that works with the HappyLighting app. We hope you enjoyed this brief product introduction. If you do, give us a like and follow. And please make sure to check out our website, superbrightleds.com.